Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how you can bookmark any of your websites. Bookmarking a websites actually help you in remembering that you may want to visit a particular website again or if the particular website has any content that you would like to refetch again. So let's see how you can bookmark a website in Google Chrome. First, let's open our Google Chrome. Then you can visit any of the website in which you want to bookmark. For example, let's say this. Now, to bookmark this particular website, all you need to do is just click on the star icon present at the address bar. Click on it, and now in this dialog box, you will see the name of the bookmarks, or you can also choose to change it if you want to, although it will give it a suitable name beforehand. You can also choose to store this bookmark in a particular folder for a particular work. But if you don't want that hassle and just want to save a bookmark, you can click on the done button like this. Now our bookmark is saved, and as you can see the star is glowing, which means that this page has been bookmarked. So to access the bookmark, you need to click on the three vertical dots present at the corner of your screen. Then you can see the bookmarks and lists tab. Hover your cursor over it and you can see the show all bookmarks option. Click on it and here we go. We can see this page in the bookmark. If you want to create new folder, you can create it from here, and you may also have options related to this bookmark like edit, delete, move it to a bar folder. You can open this bookmark in incognito mode or in a new window or in a new tab like this. So like this, you have successfully created a bookmark for your favorite websites. If you liked this video, make sure you hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.